You are struggling with saving and reusing the theme you have put so much effort into designing with ActivePresenter? Spend just a few minutes learning how to do that in today's quick tutorial. So on the screen now is your finished project. Let's save this theme to use later. This is especially useful in real-life cases. For example, if you are a corporate who wants to reuse the theme with your company logo many times later. So, access the Design tab. Click the drop-down arrow at the Theme Gallery. Select Save Current Theme. Then type a name for your theme and click Save. Or click the ActivePresenter button or press Ctrl+X on your keyboard. Then Save or Save As. Normally, your file can be saved in ActivePresenter Templates folder. Or else, you can navigate to the exact folder as the path shown on the screen right now. Then, select ActivePresenter theme and click Save. Now, back to the Start page. Your theme will appear in the Custom section of the Templates tab. Moving on, how to reuse the custom theme you have saved earlier. In the Start page, choose Custom. Then click the theme you want. Next, the preview dialog appears. You can edit or delete this template or preview slides in this template or see other custom slides. Now, click one out of the 4 options above to create a new project. Finally, use and customize this theme in the same way to how you normally do with various options and features in ActivePresenter. That's it! Creating materials and designs with your personal marks has never been easier and quicker with ActivePresenter. Subscribe to our channel now, and don't forget to take a look at the Guide for Beginners playlist to master your editing skills with ActivePresenter. See you later!